Right, so this is my friend's gigantic asparagus bed. And she's asking me about it, and I was like, well, it ain't ready yet. So anyhow, you can see the asparagus, it's got that big fern-like look to it and everything, and then you got these berries on them. Now, the berries cause upset stomach, give you some GI issues and stuff like that, so you're not supposed to eat them. But that's where your seeds and stuff are, to get new plants and stuff. So, anyhow, you can see she's got a lot of green in it, but she's also got a lot of brown in it. This was her first year being here, so she wasn't good up on the asparagus game. Anyhow, they're soft, they're full of seeds. Supposed to let this all die back, turn brown, like these ones here is. And then in the late fall is when we're supposed to trim it to just a couple inches above the ground. And then that will winterize it. You gotta let all of this do its thing so that it can put some, yes, those are the asparagus seeds. Like, hold that up for mommy. Okay, let me get a good view. Get it clearing in. Hold on, I can't get it to, there we go. Cool, right? Yeah. Anyhow, there's asparagus seeds out of the berries. Don't eat them. Let them, get them, collect them, and get the seeds out and start your own asparagus patch or whatever.
Why are they so soft?
They're just seeds. That's how they are. Anyhow, we got to let this all do its thing so that the roots can store the energy so that they can come back next year. So, you can see this in here is good and dead and browning, but not all the way down here in the bottom. So, with that, that's how you do the asparagus beds. So, there you go.